Midjourney is an AI art generator. You can do it through their website. You can generate beautiful art, or you can use the Discord. Midjourney came out with a magazine. Yes, a print magazine. So I guess what they'll do is in their community, they'll pick from some of the top art of what they felt is beautiful. And for $4 extra on top of a Midjourney subscription, you can get the magazine. And I just got mine yesterday, which was July 3rd. And it's beautiful. Like, look, it shows you some of the art that gets generated. It's a very high quality magazine. And, you know, you get to see the art. You get to see what prompts people used. And there's something about how it's tangible. You know, like I can touch it, where a lot of the AI stuff right now for us, especially art generation, is stuff you see on the computer. There's something really unique and cool about being able to like page through it. I'm a very sensory person, so I like touch, smell, and all of the sensories. So it's cool. And then to see like they do some artist spotlights. So for people who are like do AI art, like what are their thoughts behind it? Yeah. So the idea of it is you basically have it imagine like anything that you can imagine, and it'll generate it. So yeah, so as they as they generate art, I think the community sort of votes and responds to the best art done that month, and then it gets posted up there. Because I was looking for this month if any of my generations were up here, but I don't think they're not. And I think they would probably let you know beforehand and ask permission. Like there's a cool one. I like to imagine, futuristic scenarios. Like here's this. I would recommend this too. If you already have Midjourney, it was literally $4 more, which is a steal for a magazine like this of this quality. So I'm sorry. I'm not trying to sell everybody on things all the time, but I'm just trying to show y'all some really cool stuff. And this is an awesome idea. I will be keeping every single edition of the Midjourney magazine as collector's items. And hopefully my art, and if you're an AI, you work with AI art at all, your art could get on Midjourney's next edition of the magazine. So go check it out. I think you can go to mag.midjourney.com to subscribe, and it'll just, tack on an additional charge to your current Midjourney sub.